T-boy, my friend, join me to celebrate, oh, join me to celebrate. I'm so happy.
Join you to celebrate what? Which card are you giving me? Is it burial invitation card? You are giving me a card. You are happy, saying I should join you to celebrate. Celebrate what exactly?
T-boy, you and this your jokes. Can't you read a simple invitation card? My traditional marriage is in the next 3 weeks, and I'm inviting you.
You.
You are inviting me as what?
You be mumu.
As my bestie now. You are even more than a bestie. You are like a brother to me.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
I have suffered. Me, I am like a brother to you. Me, your bestie. I am your worstie. How am I your brother? How am I your brother? I know all my sisters and none of them looks like you. What kind of nonsense is this? You have the effrontery to want to get married, and you have the audacity to bring the wedding invitation to me to come and do what's there now? To come and help you to serve food or arrange chairs? What is the meaning of this nonsense? So me, I will attend your own marriage. When they are spraying you money, I'll be helping you to pick it. I'm in trouble.
70 years old man.
Wait, T-boy, I don't understand. You and I are childhood friends. You know me very well. You know me too well. We've been close since our primary school days. Even though you're my senior, but we've been very close. All through secondary school, through university and all that. So what is wrong if you attend my wedding and you help me to do one or two things? I don't understand.
Not be juju be that.
You are my childhood crush. I've been crushing on you. In fact, up till now, I'm still crushing on you. What is going on? I have used my eye to signal you. Maybe you will get the message. Use my finger. Use my gesture. Why do you think I buy you all those gifts? Last week, I bought you an expensive wristwatch. What is the meaning of that? I don't understand. And now you are inviting me to your wedding?
Sorry.
See me see trouble, oh. Did you ever ask me out? Did you ever ask me to date you? Be serious. Be honest. Tell me. Have you ever proposed anything to me?
It was at this moment that he knew.
I know I haven't. But I was thinking you would get the point and you will understand now. You will get the point and you should understand. Is that how I buy all my female friends gifts everywhere?
I am too much.
Oh, T-boy, you should be ashamed of yourself. Anytime you want something, go direct. Open up. Go for it. You don't know, you might even succeed. And for your information, if you had asked me out, I would have accepted you. Because you and I, we know each other very well. We grew up together. That's the kind of man I would have loved to marry. But unfortunately, it's too late. It's too late. This guy I want to marry, we met 2 months ago on social media. And he came to Nigeria and we started talking. And I've visited his parents. He has visited mine. And we are going ahead with the wedding arrangements. Next time, when you want something, don't be doubting yourself. If you have the ability, do it. Stop wasting time. Nonsense. Make sure you're at my wedding, for your information. You will be the one in charge of drinks. Bye-bye.
They have left you behind.
Victor, something has happened to me. Can you imagine? My girl is gone. My childhood love, she's gone. She's getting married in the next 3 weeks. Osas is getting married in the next 3 weeks. She came. She brought the wedding ivy to me. I have lost.
Wait, T-boy, you mean that you and Osas, you people are not romantically involved? You people are not dating at all? There's nothing between the both of you?
No, nothing at all. I was just taking my time now. I wanted to groom her very well. Take my time.
You be mumu.
Well, you have done a good job. You have groomed her for her husband. So clap for yourself. I just feel like throwing you into the fire that is right behind me. Yes, let me roast you. Since you are not useful as a human being, maybe you will be useful as barbecue.
No.
In the description of this video is a very legitimate business opportunity. You know it is legitimate. You have done your due diligence and you know for the past 6 months you have been on the group. Did you invest into it? No, you did not invest. You are watching other people share testimonies. Anybody that shares testimonies, you go into their DM to ask how much is your capital, when did you start, when is this, when is that. You are watching other people prosper while you are just there stagnant. That same thing is what you apply to this Osas girl. You know a girl very well. You know she's from a very good family, very sound upbringing. What was stopping you from proposing to her? Now another person has carried her. You groomed her for another man. If you are wise and smart, look in the description of this video, sign up and commit your money to it so that you start building wealth, so that you won't lose on both ways, romantically and financially.
Chai, it is good for you to pick the call anytime opportunity is calling. Pick it on time. No time to waste. I have wasted time now. I have lost to SAS. In the description of this video, the opportunity that is there, I will go and grab it with both hands immediately before I lose this one too.